In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize purchases on Freshbooks that were not made with your business account. Sometimes you might pay for a business-related expense using a personal card, cash, or another non-business method. It's important to still track those expenses in Freshbooks so your reports stay accurate and your accountant can see the full picture. I'll walk you through how to add these expenses manually and then how to choose the right category for them. First, let's add the expense to Freshbooks. Start by logging into your Freshbooks account and heading over to the Expenses tab. This is where all of your spending gets tracked. Once you're there, look for the button that says New Expense or Manually Create. Go ahead and click that. You're now creating a brand new expense entry. Next, fill in the basic details. Enter the vendor or merchant name, the date of the purchase, and the total cost. Try to be as accurate as possible, especially with the date, because it affects your reporting for that specific period. If you have a receipt, this is the perfect time to attach it. Most versions of Freshbooks let you upload a photo or a file. Keeping receipts attached to expenses is really helpful for audits, tax time, and just remembering what a charge was for months later. Once you've entered the basics, it's time to choose the correct category for this expense. This is what tells Freshbooks how to classify the purchase in your reports. Click on Choose a Category. You'll see a list of standard categories that Freshbooks provides. Since this purchase was not made with your business account, you might want to use a category like Personal or Other Expenses, depending on whether it truly is a personal cost or a business expense that you paid personally. If it's a personal reimbursement situation, make sure you're consistent with how you categorize those, so they're easy to review later. If the default categories don't fit what you need, you can create a custom category. On Android, for example, you can do this by starting a new expense, tapping Choose a Category, and then selecting or creating a subcategory. Custom categories are useful if you regularly have a specific type of expense that doesn't fit neatly elsewhere. When everything looks good, save the expense. That's it. You've successfully added and categorized a purchase in Freshbooks that wasn't made with your business account, keeping your records clean and complete.